Okay, to remove the white background or any kind of background, it's possible with other colors also. I show you a way. Okay, first this image, I duplicated the layer for a copy. Then I swipe with 3 fingers down. Now first, okay, you have to adjust it a little bit, I think. Okay, you can reduce the saturation and adjust the Helligkeit, then that it's the white is white. Okay, you can swipe 3 fingers down, copy it, make a mask, 3 fingers down swipe, insert it, and reverse the layer mask. Then you can pinch it together. Okay. For checking that image is really transparent, you can make the selection and automatic and pick the background. Make sure that selection is not 100% or something, so it's 0. And okay, this is okay. Then you can select it, go to the original layer. Okay, sorry. First you have to duplicate it. Duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it. And you see it's getting brighter in the selection. And then you can pinch those layers together. And then you can select it and go to the original layer and swipe 3 fingers down and duplicate it. And then, yes, I think we got all. When you want to make it more intense, the colors, you can also duplicate it another time, the original layer, and pinch them together. Okay, and the background is away. This is a colored image. I check this one out. I think it's, you see, there's a little bit of difference between the white tones. I changed the saturation and make it really dark, and I adjust it a little bit. Okay, then okay, sorry, I tapped with 2 fingers. 3 finger swipe, copy it, and make a mask. Insert, inverse the mask, and pinch them together. And now you got the outline of this image, and then you can do the same thing, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, duplicate it, and then it gets the lines get more intense, and then you can make a alpha 2 finger swipe and fill the layer. And now you got a transparent PNG. Yes. Okay, that's it. Ciao.